Hello friends, career options after polytechnic or diploma. See what to do after polytechnic is having two categories here. You can see this mouse cursor. Going for higher studies is one option and going for a job is another option. Okay, what after the polytechnic or diploma? So these are the two categories. So if you are opting for the higher studies, so first option is go for higher studies, completing diploma. This will help the students gain more knowledge. So you will be having higher studies in the sense you can go for BTech and going for a job. So either in private sector or government sectors. So which option to choose? Okay, here are the list of courses after polytechnic. If you want to go for the higher studies, so you can even opt for BTech. Okay, BTech. After polytechnic, the students can go for lateral entry to the second year of BTech in the stream which they prefer. Okay, so this will be generally BTech will be 4 years. So after completing diploma, you will be studying only for 3 years. Okay, for that reason, uh, eligibility, general eligibility will be what the candidate must have pursued 12th 10 plus 2 or a diploma from a recognized university. So after this after this BTech, the package will be 2.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. So mostly BTech and BE, Bachelor of Engineering. Okay, so this will also be having 3 years course. If not these two, there is another option is called AIME, Associate Member of the Institution for Engineers. Associate Member of the Institutions of Engineer. So the candidate can go for AMIE, Associate Member of the Institutions of Engineer certification, which is a certification level course having a value similar to Bachelor of Engineering. So this will be generally 3 years. This course is also 3 years. Okay, the candidate must have pursued the diploma in engineering or equivalent course. The candidate must have pursued diploma in engineering course. So here also the package will be same as BTech, 2 lakhs per annum to 4 lakhs per annum. And one more option is called graduation is a specific stream. After polytechnic, the candidates can also go for the graduation in the specific stream in which they have pursued polytechnic. So depend on the course. Okay. List of job openings. What if you want to go for job openings? Okay. Here, going for a job. Higher studies you have seen. For a job, this is the options. For private sector, the candidates can go for a private job after polytechnic in the construction, manufacturing, electrical or communication sectors. The candidates from polytechnic will be hired at the junior level, like junior engineer, junior manager, like that level initially. The job options in the private sector includes junior mechanical engineer, junior construction engineer, just as I said, IT assistant, electrical assistant. Okay, here the package will be generally 2 lakhs per annum to 3 lakhs per annum. Top recruiters are generally here TCS, Wipro, Balaji, Bajaj Auto, Tata Power, etc. So this will be hiring you as junior mechanical engineer, junior construction engineer, junior electrical engineer, like that. What if you want to do for government jobs? The candidates can also go for government jobs like polytechnic. The candidates will be hired as a junior positions and technician level jobs. Okay, the government job options after polytechnic include junior engineer, IT assistant, PSU jobs, clerk technician, etc. So package will be generally 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. It depends. If you have studied a furthermore than diploma, then you will be having some increment. So what are the recruitment recruiting companies are BSNL, BHEL, GAIL, Railways, etc. There is a list of PSUs are there. Self-employment. So, for example, if you have done diploma, you can start your own company with a little capital investment. Okay. So, okay. I hope you understood now.